Hello, for Uber?
Yes.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good, thank you.
Good, welcome on in.
Thank you.
Wow, you're gorgeous.
I know, I'm going to the fashion show.
You're going to a fashion show?
Yeah, it's LA Fashion Week.
LA Fashion Week. Yeah, I know. You just flew in?
Yeah.
Where did you come in from?
She just canceled.
Who?
My stylist and
Oh,
the makeup artist.
Oh no, what are you gonna do?
I don't know.
Don't cry. Don't cry. It's okay.
Okay.
We'll find a solution. What do you need? What do you need?
Can you do that for me? Like the makeup, the wardrobe, the hair? It's super easy, super simple.
I mean, I'll try. What do I need to do?
So you're gonna do me like smoky eyes?
Smoky eyes?
Yeah, it's like with the dark colors.
Like with cigarette smoke? Like I blow it in your eyes?
No, it's just like the dark colors.
Okay.
Just like even in makeup.
You like brown and green?
Brown,
Like,
blue.
okay.
For the hair, you can do me like the waves, like Hollywood waves, you know?
Listen, this is a little over my pay grade, all right? What do I get in return for this?
Do you like girls?
I'm a heterosexual male.
It's gonna be like hundreds of them.
Hundreds of girls?
Most of them is a bikini.
What? Where?
LA Fashion Week, let's go to the center, to the Hollywood.
And I get to meet them?
Yes, you're gonna see them. You might even prepare them too.
I mean, I'll be so nervous. I've never talked to a girl in my life.
What about your mom?
Well, she's a woman, but I mean, girl, like you're the first girl I've ever talked to.
Me?
Yes. I grew up Mormon, okay? We weren't allowed to talk to girls.
Okay, you sure you can do the makeup for me?
I'm gonna try my best.
Okay.
I mean, I did my sister's makeup growing up, so I'm pretty sure I'm pretty qualified.
If I win, I'll get like $1,000.
$1,000?
$1,000 if you help me with my makeup, and we can share it also. I mean, I'll give you like $20 and the girls.
$20 and girls? Well,
Yeah, deal?
let's just say that's worth a lot more than $20. I'll put it that way.
Let's win first, and then we can share it.
Okay, so it's right up here.
Yes.
Oh my gosh, there's like 7,000 girls.
That's what I was talking to you about.
What are they gonna think about me?
It depends on how you're gonna present yourself.
Like, should I pretend to be gay or something?
I don't think so.
Okay.
You can just be yourself.
Okay, I'll be myself. I'll ask each of them out on a date.
Each of them at
Yes.
the same time.
One by one.
Make sure they're not gonna hear it. Like that you're asking some other girls once you ask the other girls. Like,
But they get jealous, so then that way they'll like want to be with me, right?
what else do you have?
Huh?
What else do you have to show them? You have money?
I do have something else to show them.
No. Let's keep it for the after party.
Okay.
Okay, let's go.
All right, let's go. All right.